Most people are not living their dharma. They are surviving routines, chasing expectations, and feeling lost inside. Their body is moving, but the soul is silent. It's time to pause, to breathe, and to realign with what truly matters. Introducing the Swadharma Retreat, a 2-day immersive experience to design your life from within. Through powerful breath practices, yoga, meditation, chanting, silence, journaling, and soul work, you will discover your true nature, your Swadharma, and craft a life aligned with it. For Diamond members, the journey begins a day earlier. An intimate emotion with personal mentoring, advanced tools, and deeper transformation. You don't just attend this retreat, you embody it. This is not just a retreat, it's a new beginning. Let your breath lead you back to your path. Come, live your Swadharma.